Time is all by your side. You got it to do long better. You got it to do long better.
Hey everyone, before this tutorial starts, I want to say something. I am not the best at hands, but when I was doing this tutorial, it gave me a lot of practice to do hands. I also took screenshots of the brushes you'll be using and I'll put them in this video. You can also use other examples than the examples I used on here. You can use these examples or use your own hands or use other references on the internet. It might be a little hard to use your hands if you're not taking a picture of them, so you might need to use another person's hands to do the references. Also, I'll be talking during this whole video, so I'll explain everything in detail. Also, one more thing before this video starts. This is only part 1, so there will be many more parts to this hand tutorial. Okay, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna draw circles. Draw as many as them you want, but make sure they're not too big or too close to each other, so you'll be able to have room to draw the actual hands or fingers on the hands. Also, you can move them by using the lasso method. Once you have gotten the circles where you want them to be, you're going to change the layer's opacity to 50% or 45%. This will make the circle slider. After you have finished that, you're going to take the pen fade brush and change the opacity of that brush to 40%. Make sure the color of that pen is a different color, because if you make it the same color, it will make it confusing. It's a little complicated to explain how I drew the fingers and hands, so I'm going to let you watch this. I hope you guys understood how I drew the hands. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to add another layer, turn the second layer's opacity to 75%, and you're going to turn off the first layer. After you have done that, you're going to go back to your third layer, and then you're going to take your dip pen hard brush, and you're going to outline the sketch you have drawn. After that, you're gonna take the bucket and you're gonna color everything in. After you have finished that, you're gonna take the magic wand and select one hand at a time. And then you're gonna take the airbrush normal brush and then you're gonna start shading. I'll let you guys watch how I did the shading. You can practice these hands before you start drawing them in your pictures or paintings. Also, the background was completely optional, so you can draw a background in your painting or not. Well, this is the end of the first part of the tutorial. So I hope this was very helpful for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy.